Hi everyone, it's Shana with Dancing Daisy Designs, and I am so excited because today is the IOD 2026 Summer Release. I have all of the brand new products for you right here, and I'm going to show you every single one of them in detail right now. Let's go check it out. There are 5 new transfers in this release. The first one is called the Belgravia. The Belgravia is an 8 by 12 inch 8 sheet transfer set. This highlights a whole bunch of awesome vintage tea patterns that were taken from a British museum. These were used for actual china patterns in the 1800s. This one really pulls off a really cool, sophisticated English tea culture vibe. And to add to that, IOD has added in some cool elements. In addition to the cool cups and saucers, we have some spoons, we have some florals, some birds, and a little bit of ephemera in there to play with. And it feels very granny chic, and it's got that cottagecore vibe to it that people are loving right now. And look at how cute it looks on these decor pieces. I feel like this one could be so much fun to play with, and it has so many elements in the actual transfer. You could do so many projects. Next we have Fern Fables. This is an 8 by 12 inch 8 sheet transfer set. This one was hand painted by Lexi Granger. She is one of our very own IOD stockists who also did the Whispering Willow transfer, if you're familiar. This is hand painted watercolor art with a folk art feel to it. We've got lots of birds, we've got bugs, we've got awesome flowers and just like beautiful foliage. There's some corners and some borders in here. This one is one of my favorites. It's so much fun, and I could see so many different projects with this one. It is unique and amazing, and look at how cute it looks in the examples. I'm so happy that they give us these examples to show you guys, because I feel like it really pulls everything together and shows you what's possible. This is going to be a favorite, and I know it's going to sell out. Next we have Primrose Isle. This is an 8 by 12 inch 8 sheet transfer set. This one is coming straight out of a book called Wildflowers of the British Isles, and IOD has taken it and condensed it down and added in some fun stuff to make it an amazing transfer set. We have some full-size page, like all over type of prints, and then we also have lots of elements that you can cut out and you can create your own designs in here. I love the light airy feel of the colors in this one. We've got lots of like neat, there's frogs, berries, bugs, butterflies, all kinds of fun stuff. And of course we've got some cool typography in here that just pulls it all together. Look at how cute it looks on these cutting boards. These are a couple of the full page transfers here. And then look at this one. I think this is my favorite. And I think this frog is so amazing. Definitely going to be a favorite. Next, Marché de Fleurs. This is a 12 by 16 inch larger scale transfer with 8 sheets. And Marché de Fleurs means flower market in French. This is a great buildable bouquet transfer, and you'll see in here that it has 4 main bouquets and then lots of elements to build it out. So you can add in like the wispy little sprigs if you like that feel, or more florals to make it a larger bouquet. There's some cute little butterflies in here to add that fun element that finishes off your project. And you don't have to use this as a bouquet transfer. There are a few bouquets in here, but there's lots of amazing just like florals that stand alone on their own that work great to add into other pieces of transfers and just to update any small decor or fun piece. And we have some great examples here that show you kind of like a scale. We have a nightstand for a larger scale, and then some smaller decor pieces here. This one could really work well with other transfers, and there's a lot here, so you can do lots of projects. Finally, we have Flowers by the Poets. This is a 12 by 16 inch 8 sheet transfer set. This one features hand-painted full-color florals with some added poetry text. The florals were taken from antique botanical lithographs. And this one has a different feel from a lot of the other IOD transfers. The colors in particular are a little different, which I think is amazing. It's a great addition. We've got beautiful irises in here, some softer elements and different colors. We've got birds in here, and just like some smaller elements too that can just like bring in that final little touch for your project. This is made with like a larger decor and furniture in mind, and the examples are beautiful. We've got 2 different pieces of furniture here and then a smaller piece of decor, so you can see how you can use this one. This one is really neat. There is one new gilded transfer in this release. It's called Athenaeum. This is an 8-page, 8 by 12 inch transfer set. This one includes silver and gold elements, and the typography, florals, frame, and decorative elements are all drawn from antique book designs, including Pride and Prejudice by Jane Austen. These elements are great to mix and match with any of the other elements, transfers, molds, stamps that we're bringing forth in this release. You could use these on journals, trays, book spines. Great to mix and match with just about anything else where you want to add in that nice gold or silver touch. Look at how good it looks on the examples of the book spines here and the tray. If you haven't tried one of the gilded transfers yet, you're really missing out. It is like a shortcut to doing the gold or silver gilding. It is so much easier to use, and it comes out beautiful and crisp. There are 4 new stamp sets in this release. The first one is called Orleans, and this is a 12 by 12 inch all over single sheet stamp set. It is featuring the Orleans region of France, and it's a very intricate map. And I did zoom in here on some areas of the map just so you could see how detailed this is. This is great for background, for all kinds of mixed media. You can see it looks amazing on this lamp. I mean, whatever you would use background on, this one is going to look amazing. Next, we have Nature's Etchings. This is a 12 by 12 inch 2-page stamp set, and this one has got some beautiful botanicals from the 1800s. I went ahead and I zoomed in on both pages here just so you could get a better idea of how intricate and beautiful the detail is on this stamp set. And if you're not familiar with IOD stamps, IOD is known for having very high-end, crisp products, and that includes the stamps. If you pair it with the IOD ink, you're going to get a great crisp stamp each time. This stamp includes beautiful botanicals. We've got some moths, we've got a caterpillar, there's a bee, some beautiful ovals. This one is definitely going to be a plus to add to your collection, and look at how beautifully it stamps on this little birdhouse as our example. Next, we have the Connoisseur's Library. This is a 6 by 6 inch 4-sheet box set, and this set has a really cool bookish library vibe to it. We've got florals, frames, emblems, and an Art Deco kind of feel to it. These were all taken from vintage books and the art that you see on the spines of books. And since this is one of our smaller sets, it does have comes in a case, and it has envelope for each sheet so you don't lose any of the smaller elements in your stamp. And this one's perfect for smaller decor and any type of paper arts. These smaller stamps really work well for that, and this one is gorgeous. Last, we have Dozens Debroidery. This is a 6x6 inch 4-sheet box set stamp. And this one has a really cool 1800s vintage embroidery vibe. It was pulled from an embroidery book. We have 2 full alphabets here. One is a little larger scale and one is a little smaller. The alphabet letters are embellished with floral detail. We also have some corners, frames, and wreaths on here. I do want to point out that there was an error on the single page alphabet stamp, the A through Z on the single page. It's missing an X. IOD has decided to proceed with this print, and they're putting out a video that shows you how to use the Y, half of the Y, and then flip it to create an X as a fix. A lot of words don't use an X, so I guess they're hoping that this is going to be a good solution for this. So I just want you to be aware that that is a reality of this stamp if you purchase it. There are 4 new molds in this collection. The first one is called Frames 3. And if you're familiar with Frames 1 and 2, then you know 3 is a must-have. This is a collection of Baroque style frames. They're very ornate and beautiful. And there's one on here that's small, more like a placard in my opinion. They all have like a pillow style center, so it's got like a perfect smooth area for you to add in like a little flower from a transfer or any kind of little decoupage or any little tiny piece that you want to put in your frame to make it cute. These always work really well as embellishments as well if you're doing decor and furniture. This is a definite must-have. Next we have Cadre. Cadre is French for frames. So all of these elements are inspired by French Baroque inspired frame elements. So there are beautiful clustered florals, Baroque arches, and wonderful embellishments on here, all inspired by like a classic European feel. In addition to these being like for frames and making your frames look really neat and old, you can also use these elements on furniture and decor to embellish your pieces. This is going to be a big seller for sure. Oh, and I didn't want to forget to mention the cute little cherubs on here, the opposite facing cherubs. How fun would that be for a cute decor piece? Next we have Bookish. Bookish is inspired by vintage book frames, and this mold is very self-explanatory. It's just 4 different book frames with really cool embellishments. So the spines of the books can be like cut, and you can lengthen it to make them longer or shorter depending on the size of what you're trying to accomplish with these. They tried to make it very flexible, so if you take a close look you can see just how you can move these around and make some different elements with this. These are very much going to be great for decor and just like adding that bookish vibe to your project. Last we have swans. Swans is very self-explanatory as well. It's 2 swans, and you can have them facing or back to back, which you could use in so many cool elements with furniture and decor. There's also 2 little cute crowns on here, so you could put a crown on your swan and a cute little flourish just to add some extra detail. Birds are very much in right now, and I have seen some of our stockists do some playing with this mold ahead of time, and it is cute. It looks amazing. This is going to be a big seller for sure. Very, very cute. There are 2 new paint inlays in this release. First, we have Little Lark. Little Lark is an 8 by 12 inch 8 sheet paint inlay. This is a smaller size paint inlay, which is the first one they've done in the smaller size. This one features a whole bunch of different bird motifs with nests, florals, clusters, and cute vignettes with some awesome poetry. This does include 3 different colored sheets in here. So we have an off black, a vintage china indigo blue color, and a china green color. This inlay has a lot of very intricate florals in it. It's going to be really, really cute to do some awesome decor. And we've got some really good examples here showing just exactly that on some smaller size pieces, as well as a smaller size piece of furniture here. Paint inlays are amazing. Last, we have Alfred Peets & Co. This is a 12 by 16 inch 8 sheet paint inlay. This one is so pretty. It's pulled from vintage wallpaper scrapbooks with beautiful block print designs. There's some great French blues, butter yellows, grassy greens. We have repeating patterns as well as all over patterns. There's borders, there's corners, there's beautiful floral details. I think this one is going to be great. If you haven't tried a paint inlay, this is a good one to give it a go with, because it could be quite simple just to use like a full all over sheet. And don't forget, a paint inlay, you can use it more than once. It does get lighter with each use, and it could pick up some of the paint that was inlaid in it the first time, but that just adds to the cool vintage chippy kind of feel that you can get with a second, third use of your paint inlay. This one has some beautiful examples here, and as you can see, it looks imperfectly perfect. It has the hand-painted look, worn over time. If you're very careful, you can get like a more crisp, newer look, but I really enjoy the old world vintage used look myself. All right, there you have it, the 2026 IOD collection for the summer. I hope you guys loved it. Comment down below and let me know which are your favorite items. I would love to know. I have all of these available for you right now at dancingdaisydesigns.com, and of course, local in store. All of the information is down below. And make sure that you're following me on social media so you know if I have any sales and releases like this come out. And also follow me here on YouTube. I would love to have you as a subscriber. And I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.